What's up, everyone? It's a beautiful day. Welcome back to WRX Garage. We have a really cool video for you guys today, and we say that every week. Hope you guys are used to it by now.
This one's a good one.
This one's gonna be a great one.
This is a good one.
So as you can see, we got 3 different Subarus here, Subaru WRXs, and we have 3 different exhaust setups on them, which is really cool. And you guys probably saw our last video, which was Axleback versus Catback, and now we have something even better. So now we have an Axleback, we got a full turboback catted, and then a full turboback non-catted. And we'll let you guys guess which one's which, but cool. Everyone say what up, Libby?
What's up?
He's got the white one.
Yeah.
The dirty but
And he's
clean white one.
He's the Catless one. We're just gonna start off. Just ruin it.
Oh,
Yeah.
why you gotta ruin it like that?
Cool. So that's pretty much it for our intro.
So we'll go through
you know what? Yeah,
like
revs,
3, 5,
flybys, 357, flybys.
These are all warm starts. We don't have a cold start.
And at the end, we're actually going to show you guys a percent difference decibel comparison
yeah,
for
we can
each
do the decimal
one.
readings. We actually have a
So
real decimal
I'll
reader
put a nice
this
table up there. It's going to be perfect. So
Maybe I'll shoot some flames for you guys.
time. Yeah, possible flames.
Hopefully, all
Yeah.
depends.
We actually have a real decimal reader this time, not one off my phone.
yes,
So
we have a good
upgraded.
one.
Are we gonna throw any clips from your old Catback too in there?
Yeah, we'll put my old Catback also. So we have Axleback, Catback,
Catted.
turbo catted, turbo non-catted. Oh my goodness!
Just had the stock exhaust
Okay.
and everything cut out, so
Sure.
Cool.
it was spitting out.
All right, guys, let's get into it.
Let the-
So before we get into the video any further, we just want to tell you guys what exactly each setup is, and we'll have it listed underneath each of the revving clips and the flybys and whatnot. But we thought we'd go through it right now. Oh, it's windy. So on my car, the silver one, we have a turboback setup. So we have the GrimmSpeed catted downpipe, and then the Invidia R400 all the way back. So it is stainless steel all the way back. For those of you guys who don't know, the R400 has a, I think it's a 14-inch resonator right in the mid-pipe, 4 inline mufflers in each of the exhaust tips. Downpipe is non-resonated, but it is catted.
All right, so the blue one has the most sophisticated setup. We have the Remark Axleback, which just takes away the muffler, and it's metal.
Got a nice fat double wall 4-inch tips.
Yeah, double wall.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
that's really why I got this one. I really like the double wall. But I'm eventually going to do the mid pipe and the down pipe to finish it off. But for right now, just this.
Cool. Libby, what do we got here?
I got a no-name turboback downpipe. I got BlackHorse Racing Catback. Got resonators, mufflers. It's loud and obnoxious, but gets the job done when I need it to.
Yeah. So Nameless, right? Nameless downpipe.
Nameless downpipe. I got the BlackHorse Racing Catback, and that's basically it.
Cool. All right, guys, what do you guys think? What is everyone, what are your opinions? Leave a comment. Which one do you think sounds the best? Which one makes the most sense for power, for economy, for daily driving? If you guys want more information on Kyle or my setup, we do have individual videos doing a pretty in-depth review of each exhaust setup. So we'll link those in our description here. But make sure you guys leave a like and a comment and let us know which one you like the most. As for the results, we did do decibel testing on each one. We did each one on the 7K revs. We did the max decibel for the 7K. As you guys can imagine, our Catless downpipe came in first for
126.
126.
That's nice.
And mine came in second because I do have the downpipe that opens it up a bit more at 122. And
118. Still pretty
Cool.
close.
yeah. If you guys want us to do another video of the same thing, but in-cabin noise only, we can do that and make that a separate video for you guys. Just make sure you guys leave a comment down below. If you have not followed us yet and subscribed to the channel, please do so. Every subscription helps us immensely, and it makes us, gets us one step further to our next goal of 2,000 or 5,000 subscribers. So thank you for everyone that has supported us in the past. But yeah, I think that's it.
Thank you guys so much. If you have any more exhaust videos you guys want to see, let us know. If you want us to see something else, let us know. We'll do more.
Cool.
All right.
And we will see you guys in the next one.